Hey there, coding explorers! I'm TGG and I'm thrilled to welcome you to the world of Python programming. If you're ready to unlock a universe of creativity and problem solving, this course is your launchpad. So, let's talk about the benefits. I'm not just a teacher, I'm a student who's been in your shoes. I remember facing those first lines of code, feeling both excited and a little intimidated. That's why I designed this course with my past experiences in mind. I've adapted it to address those common challenges, making it the most beginner-friendly Python adventure out there. Now, how about the objectives? Well, here's what you'll unlock in this course. You're going to master the fundamentals of Python, which means that you're going to dive into data types, functions, conditions, and more. You'll build a solid foundation that will propel you into any Python project you dream up. Second thing, learn at your own pace. You're going to explore over 4 hours of content, packed with clear explanations and real-world examples. Every video includes captions, so you can learn anytime, anywhere. Third thing is staying up to date. Python is constantly evolving, and so is this course. I'm always updating it with the latest best practices and features, ensuring you're equipped with the most relevant skills. And last but not least, you'll be able to join a community of passionate learners. Connect with fellow students, ask questions, and share your progress in our supportive online community. Python might seem intimidating, but it's not. This course is designed for absolute beginners, especially those between 13 and 21. My lessons are built with your level in mind, making it the perfect launchpad for your coding journey. Even if you're older, you're welcome to join. I'm sure you'll find it's a clear and engaging way to get started. So, ready to code your future? Enroll now, and let's unlock your Python potential together.